Now we're gonna make this really cool holiday wedding bow. So I'm gonna start with a larger piece of Bowdabra bow wire because this is gonna be a massive bow and I just wanna make sure I have plenty of bow wire to tie it off. So then I'm gonna take my silver mesh and I'm just gonna lay this down in here and I'm gonna fold it. Now everybody knows mesh can be kind of a pain to work with. So it's because this is gonna be so big, now I'm gonna fold it and I'm just gonna scrunch this in here. Then I'm gonna bring it back, and I know this is like flying all over the place, but that's what happens when you work with mesh. So all I'm doing is just folding it and scrunching it into my Bowdabra. And I'm gonna take my wand and scrunch everything into it. And then I'm gonna take this really pretty, elegant ribbon. So this can be a really pretty bow for a wedding or just for a holiday decoration. So I'm gonna fold this back, twist it, and put it in. And again, here I wanna make sure that the wrong side of my ribbon is on the inside of my loop. So then I'm gonna fold it back here, twist it, and do exactly the same thing here and make sure that the wrong side of my ribbon is on the inside of my loop. And I'm just gonna continue doing this till I have as many loops as I need. And here I'm gonna just graduate my loops in a little bit. And I'm gonna just bring this loop in just a little bit. And there's a lot of ribbon in here. So if it looks like I'm trying to push everything down, I am. And then this loop, I'm gonna just make a little bit smaller because that's gonna be the loop that's gonna be in the middle. So now I'm gonna take my Bowdabra wand once more time and, scrunch that down. Take my Bowdabra bow wire and bring it through my loop, my slip knot, hold it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And now when I pull this big, huge bow out, I'm not struggling. So I'm gonna separate the ends, bring them around to the back, and tie a knot, and double knot it. And find my scissors, clip the ends, fold it over, and now this loop is going to be shaped right here. And I'm just going to, and this is a nice wire because ribbon because it's wired, so I can pretty much shape it exactly the way I want. So I'm just gonna keep shaping my ribbon and pull apart my bow here, continue shaping, and now you have this absolutely gorgeous bow. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.